guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide full tutorial in this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can check out the link in the description below to download this template for free. And I have also given a video for a separate slideshow of this template. You can check that from the link in the description as well. You can also comment down to let me know about your opinion. So after watching the slideshow, let's begin this full template tutorial. So first of all, you're gonna use a color palette and adjust it into the template. Next, go to format background and go to picture texture fill, and then you're gonna insert a background image. Be sure to use a high resolution image because it impacts your PowerPoint slide a lot. Now cover the entire slide with a rectangle, remove its outline and give it a gradient fill of 2 colors. Now increase the transparency rate of one of the gradient fill. Next, insert a rectangle just on top of the slide and you're gonna give it a gray color. Next, we're gonna insert a straight line just right here. Yeah, something like this. And we're gonna change its color to white and let's increase its weight as well. Now let's decrease the size and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and here you go. We're gonna select all of them and group them and we can also adjust them using our mouse. Either increase the size or either decrease the size according to your preference. So here you go. Let's put it into the middle. Next, we're gonna go to Insert tab and let's insert a circle of about height of 2 and a width of 2 as well. And we're gonna duplicate it and select both of them and put them right here like this and increase your transparency. So this is gonna be my logo of this template. Next, insert text box right in the next to this logo, which is gonna be your like your template's name or your company's name or anything that you want to use right here. Next, insert a title, which is gonna be your subtitle. And we're gonna add our text on it. Now let's increase the text box size. We're gonna remove its fill and then give it an outline. And next we're gonna go with text options and then increase its transparency that only a little of it can be seen. Now duplicate it and we're gonna give it a shape fill and we're gonna give it a more dark font and a bold font. Next we're gonna put it into the middle and the center of the template. So now we're gonna insert a subtitle text box and we're gonna add our subtitle, align it into the middle, change its color to white and change its font. So right now the font I'm gonna use is Calibri Light. Next insert a small circle which is gonna be really small, about 0.5 centimeter of height and width. Now we're gonna put them right here like this, duplicate them about 6 times. Increase the transparency of them one by one using shading. So what we're gonna do is give the first one most darkest transparency and the next one a lighter one and the next one goes a lighter one, and this way we're gonna give it a pattern. And for these let's just increase the size a bit because I think that they are not to be seen. Next we're gonna give them some distance, and it's all done. Select them all and then group them by pressing Ctrl plus D. Then duplicate 3 of them and move them upwards on on the top left corner of the template. Next, we're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle, remove its fill, and then give it an outline. Move it into the middle of the slide. And next, we're going to go to Insert tab and insert a small, tiny, mini circle, which is going to be really small. And so I'll just use 0.1 centimeter of the height and width for this small circle because it is just gonna be acting as a button. Group it all, and next we're gonna insert a new slide, remove everything from it, and insert our color palette in it as well. Next we're gonna change the background's color to a dark gray color, insert this shape, and we're gonna put it right here in this pattern. Next, we're gonna adjust it, remove its outline, give it a fill, and we're gonna duplicate it and then flip it horizontally and decrease that duplicated shape size. Next, change its color, and then we're gonna rotate, duplicate it, and then we're gonna flip it vertically. And similarly, we're gonna change its color as well. And next, we're gonna duplicate it again, and then we're gonna flip it horizontally, and let's decrease its size a bit, and we're gonna give them some distance which is gonna be the equal distance. Group them all so that we can just put them into the middle and the center of the template. Next you have to insert some icons into them, and you have to insert your text as well. So this is the pre-made text and icons that I've made, and you can also make your own icons if you want, and you can insert your own text if you want. So let's just move it downwards. We're gonna move the text nearer to the shapes as well in a specific pattern. Insert a new slide and copy and paste your color palette on it as well. And the next thing you're gonna do is insert a text box for the title. So this is gonna be a team slide. We're going to introduce our team members in this slide. So we're going to insert a circle of about 4 centimeters of height and width, and then duplicate it, and then we're gonna remove its fill and give it an outline of the same gradient. Group them and duplicate them about 4 times. So we're gonna put them right here and ungroup them. Next, we're gonna insert a small circle right below the shape. Be sure to use the same height and width and give it a fill of the color palette. So the color scheme I'm gonna use have 4 colors. So I'll use four of these circles as well. Now let's insert some of the icons. And these icons are like the social media platforms. I'll put each of them in each of the specific circle. And next we're gonna put them right here, duplicate them and put each of them under each of the circle. Next, insert text box for the title and the subtitle that describes your teammates. The next step we're gonna do is to insert pictures in each of the circle by going to shape format and clicking on picture texture fill, either to choose a picture from insert tab, like from your own device, or from online pictures, or from stock images. So I'll just skip this part. By the way, you can see it still, but I'll just skip the part to give the voice to. Insert a new slide and paste your color palette here as well. Next, what we're going to do is insert a circle. We can change its height and width to about 6 centimeter. And we're going to increase its size. Duplicate it again. We're going to put them like this. Change each of their colors. Use the color palette. By the way, I have also provided the color palette in the template along with a template, so you can also use it. And the icons and everything is provided in the template. What you need to do is just go to the link in the description and just click on it and download it, and you're gonna download a zip file. And the next thing you're gonna do is just click or go to your like the files explorer, and the next thing you're going to do is open that file, which will be in a zip file. And so you're going to click on extract all and press enter, and the file would get extracted. Next, we're going to insert our icons in each of these shapes.